right, boys and girls, today we're going to be talking about past and present verbs. Let's get started. We learned that verbs are the action that happens. So an example of that would be we jumped into our swimming pool. Jump is an action. That's why it's called a verb. Now, when it comes to verbs, past tense verbs tell us what already happened. It did not happen now, but it happened in the past, like yesterday or last week. So for example, when we talk about past tense verbs, it ends in an ed. The milk already spilled on the floor. That means it already happened. It's spilled. Notice that we added an ed to the action, which is spill. Clapped. We clapped our hands after the show was over. Notice that the verb is clap and then we added an ed to it. Present tense verbs happen in the now. It's happening right now. They usually end in ing. The teacher is reading the PowerPoint to you. That's what's happening right now. I am reading the PowerPoint. Read is the action. Adding ing tells me that it happens now. Eating. My family and I are eating iftar together. That's happening now. Which sentence shows what happened in the past? So let's read them. Last night, they prayed together. They are praying together. Right, if it's past tense, it's going to have ed in it. So it's going to be prayed. The first one, last night, they prayed together. Which sentence shows what is happening in the present? We celebrated Eid last year. We are celebrating Eid today. When it talks about present, we want to know what's happening now. That would be an ing. So we are celebrating Eid today. Past tense verbs. You can tell if the verb happened in the past if you see words in the sentence such as yesterday, last night, last year, already. These things tell you that it already happened and that you would add an ed to it. You can tell if the verb is happening in the present if you see words in a sentence such as is, are, right now. So for your assignment today, you're going to go to your assignment and it's going to look like this. It says past and present verbs. Boys and girls, when you click on the second one, it has directions for you. It says drag the verb to the correct blank for each sentence. She is blank at the park. Yesterday, she blank at the park. You have played and playing. Remember, if it says yesterday, it's talking about the past. The past would have an ed. That means yesterday she played at the park. I would just drag it. All right? If you have any questions on the assignment, I'm here to help.